Hey everyone! Today we're going to create a stylish button with a hover effect using HTML and CSS. Let's get started. Here's the HTML structure. We have a tags representing a button. Inside each tag, there's a span for the button text. Let's style our buttons. We start by resetting margins and padding. Display, flex, on the body. By adding justify content, center, to horizontally center. Align items, center. We're vertically centering min height, 100 rear, dot, background color, pure black. Setting its position to relative, which will help us with positioning any pseudo elements later. The background and color are both set to white, giving our text a clean look. We remove the default underline with text decoration, none, and make the text all uppercase using text transform. For a bold and modern look, we've got font size at 1.5 em and letter spacing at 0.1 em, with a font weight of 400 to keep it sleek but not too heavy. Now the padding 10px 30px ensures the link is nicely padded for better clickability and aesthetics. We add a smooth transition of 0.5s to make our hover effect feel responsive and polished. We also set overflow, hidden to keep everything neatly inside the boundaries. For the hover effect, we give it some attitude. The letter spacing increases to adding a bit more emphasis. The background and color transition to a dynamic variable var, allowing us to easily change the hover color using CSS variables. Finally, we add a box shadow effect, CLR, creating a glowing effect, before pseudo element on the anchor tag. This creates an empty content block set to position, absolute with a z-index of 1, so it's behind. Inset, 2px to position it slightly inside the anchor and give it a dark background. This creates a cool layered effect beneath the link text. Next, for our text inside the link, we wrap it in A and set it to position, relative with a higher z-index of 2, ensuring it stays on top. I for additional styles. Let's talk about the element, which is absolutely positioned with inset, 0, to cover the entire area of the link. This gives us the space to play with additional decorative effects. The I, before pseudo element, adds a small bar to the right side of the link. We position it at top, 0, and left, 80. Setting its width to 18px and height to 4px. The bar's background matches the dark color Seeger 242323, and it's skewed with transform. Translate 50%, skew xat 325 to create a stylish slanted line effect. We also include a transition, 0.5s, for a smooth animation when hovering. On hover, width expands to 20px and moves left to 20%, creating a sleek sliding effect. Copy this part and paste here, and change the before to after and some more. Now copy this line and paste it 2 times and Now the buttons is ready. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For source code, check the description.